Hi guys, Mortgage Mark. Let's talk about gift funds. So it can be used for purchase or refinance transactions. For the most part, let's go with purchases because that's where we see it the most. So gift funds just means somebody's giving you money in order to use it for down payment, closing costs, whatever it is to do a purchase loan. So gift funds, there's a right way and a wrong way. And it does vary based on program. So what I'm going to talk to is kind of generic here. But first and foremost, there's a list of what's approved and not approved for certain programs as far as the people donating those funds. So mom, dad, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, those are fine. When you say, hey, it's my best friend or something of that nature, again, a close family member is often allowed, but you got to just, talk to us and we'll walk you through that process. The money itself, guys, talk to us if you can before you transfer the money. If they've already given you the money and you got it in your bank account, fine, it is what it is. But before you actually take money from somebody, if you can connect with us first, we'll walk you through the best and easiest way to document it, because we do have to document it. There are programs that actually require that we get your donor's bank statement. So if dad's giving you money, we might even need to see dad's checking account or where that money's coming from, but dad's bank statement to show where that money came from to make sure dad's not selling drugs and guns and all this other terrible stuff. So understand, guys, there's a lot of nuances here that can get you in trouble and just create a whole bunch more work and frustration for all of us. And realize, be very, very specific on who's giving you the money. So I've had kids, that are buying a home saying, hey, we're going to get it from my dad. Okay, cool. Well, guess what? It was dad and mom on the statement, the bank statement that they provided. So it's not a gift from dad. It's a gift from dad and mom because both are on that bank statement. Another example, husband and wife buying a home. And I'm buying the home, and let's say Caroline, my wife, is not part of this, but the money I'm going to use for closing is in Caroline's bank account that only has her name. Well, guess what? That's got to be a gift. It's not my money. I know it seems weird, but that's the mortgage world. So just talk to us. Let's just make sure we're being very clear on what's needed. And the biggest thing I can tell you guys, the biggest hang up we get is somebody's like, I'm going to repay that money. It's my dad just loaning it to me until I sell my house or until I, get my bonus check, whatever. Guys, there cannot be any expected repayment. If you want to pay them because it makes for an awkward Thanksgiving, fine, but they can't do like, hey, I'm going to borrow the money from dad and pay 6%. Ain't going to work. We need gift money where it's free and clear, no strings attached. If you want to do it, more power to you, but the fact of the matter is no strings attached cannot have that unsecured debt. So hopefully that answers your questions. Obviously, there's a lot to it. Call us. There's a sample form down below of what needs to happen or what they need to sign. But again, guys, call us. Just so many moving parts, and to be very specific is really the key.